What if I told you there are 15 products on Amazon right now that could seriously upgrade your everyday life? Ever end a long workday, feeling like your neck is made of concrete? Meet the Cariva 4D Neck Massager. This genius hands-free device wraps around your neck and mimics real finger kneading with deep tissue pressure. It adds soothing heat to melt away tension while you relax on the couch. No cords, no hassle, just pure relief. You get multiple intensity levels so you control the experience. It is the kind of upgrade your body has been begging for. Honestly, this one feels less like a gadget and more like a personal masseuse you actually own. When was the last time you actually cleaned your windows? Most of us avoid it because it is exhausting and honestly dangerous on higher floors. Enter the light window cleaning robot. This smart little device sticks right to your glass and gets to work on its own. With 5,300 Pascal suction power and dual water spray, it scrubs your windows edge to edge without missing a single spot. The intelligent path planning means it thinks for itself so you do not have to. You literally press a button and walk away. It is the kind of game changer that makes you wonder how you ever did it the old way. Nothing is scarier than walking to your door at night and realizing your yard is pitch black. Motion sensor lights are a must, but wiring them is a nightmare. The Inksex Solar Security Light solves that completely. 3 adjustable heads blast out a massive 3,000 lumens with 156 LEDs, lighting up your entire yard the moment anything moves. It runs on pure solar power, so zero electricity bills and zero complicated installation. It is weatherproof and built to last through any season. You get total security coverage for your patio, garage, or driveway. Tired of 3 different cables taking over your nightstand? It looks messy. It is frustrating, and someone always knocks a device off the charge. The SwanScout 3-in-1 station is the genius desktop upgrade you need right now. One sleek base charges your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods all at the same time wirelessly. It supports the latest iPhone 17 and Apple Watch Ultra 3. So you are fully covered. No tangled cables. No searching for the right plug. Just one beautiful charging hub that does it all. You place your devices down and wake up to everything fully charged. Clean desk, clear mind, total game changer. Here is something nobody talks about. Your mattress is probably full of dust mites, allergens, and dead skin right now. The Jigu UV Mattress Vacuum is your answer. With 15 kilopascal suction and a 700-watt motor, it deep cleans your mattress at a level a regular vacuum never could. The built-in UVC light kills bacteria and germs on contact while ultrasonic tech and heating work together to destroy mites hiding deep in the fabric. A smart dust sensor even shows you exactly what you are pulling out. You will sleep cleaner, breathe easier, and feel the difference immediately. This is the bedroom upgrade everyone needs, but nobody talks about. You are traveling. Your hotel room has no kettle, and all you want is a hot cup of tea or coffee. It is one of those small frustrations that ruins a trip. The Gurmy Folding Travel Kettle is the genius solution for every traveler. It folds completely flat so it slides right into your bag without taking up space. With 0.6-liter capacity and 600-watt power, it boils water fast and efficiently wherever you are. It is BPA-free, so you never have to worry about what is in your water. The removable keeps everything tidy and tangle-free, compact, smart, and so practical, you will never travel without it again. Whether you are sailing, flying a drone, doing HVAC work, or just fishing, wind conditions can make or break your whole plan. The McBasil 3-in-1 anemometer gives you precise wind speed, temperature, and airflow readings in seconds. The backlit LCD screen means you can read it clearly even in low light conditions. It is compact enough to slip into a jacket pocket and tough enough for serious outdoor use. The 3-in-1 design means you replace multiple tools with one smart device. You stop guessing and start knowing exactly what the conditions are. For outdoor enthusiasts and professionals alike, this one is a total upgrade. Your indoor plants are struggling, and you know it. Low light kills them slowly, and you cannot always move them to a sunny spot. The Glowrium Dual Head Grow Light is a complete game changer for plant lovers. It stretches from 23.5 to 71 inches, so it fits plants at any stage of growth. The full spectrum light mimics real sunlight, giving your plants exactly what they crave. A built-in timer lets you set 3, 9, 12, or 16-hour cycles, so your plants stay on a perfect schedule even when you forget. 6 dimming levels let you customize intensity. You do not need a greenhouse when you have a setup this smart sitting right on your shelf. You land in a new country, plug in your charger, and nothing works. That panicked scramble for the right adapter is something every traveler dreads. The Baseus 6-in-1 travel adapter is the only travel essential you will ever need. It covers power outlets in over 150 countries with one compact device. The built-in retractable cable means you do not need a separate cord, and the USB-C PD fast charging keeps your devices powered up at full speed. No bulky pile of adapters. No guessing which plug fits where. You pull out one smart gadget and you are ready for any country on the planet. Your desk is a cable disaster, and you know it. Outlets are behind furniture, cords are everywhere, and nothing is where you need it. The Trond clamp power strip clamps right onto your desk edge, so your outlets come to you. It gives you 4 AC outlets and 4 USB ports, including a 20-watt USB-C PD fast charge, all within arm's reach. The 6-foot flat plug cord hugs the wall cleanly, so nothing looks messy. Surge protection with 1700 joule keeps your expensive gear safe from power spikes. You go from a chaotic desk to a clean, smart workspace instantly. It is a small upgrade that makes a huge daily difference. Cutting through thick cardboard, carpet, or heavy fabric with regular scissors is genuinely painful and slow. Your hands cramp, the cuts are uneven, and it takes forever. The EdgeFlow cordless electric scissors completely changes that experience. Self-sharpening titanium blades mean you always get a clean cut without ever touching a sharpener. The smart display shows you charge level and boost mode so you always know what is happening. Tool-free blade swap makes maintenance effortless. Whether you are crafting, packing boxes, or doing home projects, you slice through anything in seconds. Cordless freedom, power-boosted cutting, and zero hand fatigue. This is the hands-on upgrade every maker and DIYer needs right now. Most of us have no idea what our blood oxygen levels are doing overnight. The Welly O2 ring monitor tracks your oxygen and pulse rate continuously while you sleep right from your finger. If your levels drop, a gentle vibration wakes you before it becomes dangerous. Bluetooth syncs all your data directly to a free app and generates detailed PC reports you can share with your doctor. It is rechargeable, comfortable to wear overnight, and shockingly easy to use. You stop guessing about your health and start seeing real data. For anyone serious about wellness, this is an absolute must-have. You walk into a dark closet, fumble for the switch, and knock something over every single time. The Bojim rechargeable ceiling light is the perfect renter-friendly fix. It sticks magnetically to any ceiling surface with zero permanent installation needed. Motion detection turns it on the moment you walk in and off when you leave, completely hands-free. A remote gives you full control over brightness and timing. Rechargeable battery means no wiring and no waste. Your closet, hallway, or bedroom gets a smart lighting upgrade in minutes. Clean, modern, and so simple, you will want one in every room of your home. When you need precise measurements for jewelry, coffee, cooking, or small items, eyeballing just does not cut it. The UniWay Pocket Digital Scale measures down to 0.01 grams, so you get accuracy you can actually trust. It fits in your palm, slides into a pocket, and goes anywhere you need it. A 50-gram calibration weight is included right in the box so you are ready to go from day one. The compact design hides nothing but delivers professional-level precision. Whether you are a home barista, jewelry maker, or just someone who values getting things exactly right, this little scale is a surprisingly powerful everyday upgrade. Working from one laptop screen all day is slowing you down, and you might not even realize it. More screen space means more productivity, period. The Sotsu Flipaction Pro Monitor is a jaw-dropping portable display that goes anywhere your laptop does. At 16 inches with a stunning 2500 into X resolution and DCI P3 color, everything looks absolutely gorgeous. The 120Hz refresh rate keeps motion silky smooth, and the full metal CNC build feels premium in every way. It pivots, rotates, and sets up in seconds, whether you are on a Mac or Windows machine. You get a dual monitor setup anywhere, anytime, with zero compromise on quality. This is the workspace upgrade that makes everything else feel small.